as y'all can see, this is my new hair. I've never washed it myself, so this was my first time since it's really short. As you can see, the curls are still popping. The bleach really didn't change my hair or my texture, and I'm sure if I was to put like some curling cream and just like detangle them out, or even just put some more water and comb it out, the curls would be popping. Of course, they're just a little bit blunt at the end because I have a blunt cut, but yeah, this is what I'm looking like now. Hey K-Baes, you are now tuned in to Keeping Up with K, as you already know. And today we are going to be doing a silk press on my new hair. So many of y'all do not know that I did cut my hair. Well, got it cut. My hairdresser cut my hair at like the end of March for my 28th birthday. She cut it into a blunt cut orange bob. As y'all can see, the color is faded. It's now mid-May, so you can tell that a lot of, you know, the washing and all that she did, the color just kind of bled away because she did use bleach and then put the color over my hair. So yeah, that's why the color is looking like that. But as of right now, my color is popping, baby. Okay, she went in, she got that color all the way together, and I'll have to insert some pictures at the end for y'all just so y'all can see me when I first got my hair dyed and then what it looks like now. But I am just going in with my blow dryer. All of those products that I used in the beginning of the video, of course, will be down in the description box below. But I'm just going in with my blow dryer comb. This is like just like a little Kiss blow dryer that I got from Walmart for like $25 or something. It's really good. It gets really hot. I love the blow dryer comb, but as y'all can see, I'm missing a few teeth because I dropped the comb on my hardwood floor and they broke off. But it still works just fine for me. So I'm just taking that blow dryer and just running through all the, you know, areas of my hair. And now I'm just taking some of that oil and I'm putting it all over my scalp. I put some on my hair, but I was really focusing on just rubbing it in the scalp area because I didn't want my bob to be stiff. And this was on Sunday. I was getting my hair done on Wednesday. So I really, you know, was just trying to look good for the day. So I really didn't care about like, oh yeah, girl, your scalp oil. I really could care less. But I started in the back of my hair, and as y'all can see, it is very short in the back, and I was struggling so bad in the back. My arm started to hurt, and I don't like, my hair texture is just very different in the back than it is in the front. In the front, it's just so much easier. Like, it's just not a hassle. I wish that I could just move sometime the back to the front of my hair so I could just know how to do it better. But this is what we had to work with. So, yeah, my arms got tired. I did give up, you know, on some portions of the back of the hair. As y'all can see, I'm also doing a lot of passes just because, like I said, the texture is very thick and it's different from the front of my hair, which is usually just on one pass. On this back part, I be doing 2 and 3 passes, which I don't do that. I'm a one pass kind of girl, but I just couldn't do it for this because I really needed my hair to look good, and I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Like, y'all know I be making videos and I be doing stuff and it be looking good, but yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with this little bob. I have never had short hair, and this is my first time literally doing this. And my hairdresser was saying, you know your hair too short to do by yourself, and look at me doing it by myself. So I just let y'all sit back, relax, and watch. But I'm about to give up on this back part, and then I'm just going to go ahead and move to the front. I'm going to part both of my front hair into sections and then leave a portion in the back so that I can come back to it.
I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. I've spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl.
So now it's time for edges. I just take out a piece of my edge and then I run the flat irons over it. Be careful with y'all edges. I've never had issues with my edges. I always have had thick edges, so I've never, had to be like, oh, let me turn the flat iron down because, I might burn my edges out because my hair is just really thick, just all over, and I never had, those issues. But I know that some people do have, more brittle hair or hair that's not, as strong as mine or as thick as mine, or the edges might not, be like mine. They might have issues with their edges or be trying to grow them back. So just be careful. Do your edges the way that is best for the integrity of your hair. Do not have your flat iron on 20 trying to flat iron your edges if you know that you are trying to grow your edges back or you have issues with it, or just in general. Like for me, I had the flat iron on 20 for this section just because I had my hair blow dry, and I was very nervous actually, just because like that back section, it is so light. It lightens so much because she did use a 10 developer because she said she was trying to do low and slow because my hair is so thick that she was thinking like, yeah, it's gonna be low, and then by the time I get to the front, the back will just be turning, and then the front, it'll be able to just catch up, and it just didn't go that way. So the back just really lightened a lot. So I was really, concerned about using that high heat in the back. And then with me doing so many passes, I was just like, oh Lord, my hair just gonna kill me if I go back and my damn hair is broke off. Excuse my language, but I was really nervous. So this is, me just putting some more oil all over the hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap it because this is what they do at the hairdresser, but they just put you in the cap and then they use the cold air. We ain't about to do all that. We just gonna wrap it up, and then we are going to take a minute, take a break, take some self-care time. Right here, we about to have a dance break, baby, because what? Get low, get low, get low to the windows. Okay. So yeah, now you just gonna unwrap your hair and then you gonna bump it. I'm just trying to do everything that my hairdresser be doing. She don't wrap my hair, but after she straighten it out, she like bumps it. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to like just go over it like a little church bump and see what happens. And I forgot to remind y'all that the flat iron is down to 10 now. I took the flat iron off of 20 because I just didn't need that much heat. I was just going back over, just doing a bump 10 was perfect. As you can see, it's just bumping my ends just the way that I need it. And you know, it was doing the job without frying my hair, but just giving me that nice little bump that I needed.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't be down. Don't do me wrong. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Been spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl.
So I had a clip in and I ended up taking it out. It was just something that I really did not like about it. I don't know what it was, but I had to take that bad boy out. And then once I took it out, I was really just feeling my hair overall. It kind of just came together exactly the way that I wanted it to. I know that it wasn't perfect. It wasn't like hairdresser status or nothing like that. But for me to like be crunch of time, this is my first time. I don't really know what I'm doing with this little bob. I think that it actually, you know, came out really cute. And did it last long? Not at all. But this is how we was looking by the end. It was like, yes, honey, you better work, baby. You better work, child, okay? But yes, this was the final product. I really loved it, and I hope that y'all did too. But, you know, this is all that I have for you today, K-Baes, and I will see you later.